Hello and welcome back to Meaningful Moments with Mai, and I am Mai Calev. And this is a space where we get to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with what truly matters. In a world that often celebrates speed, constant progress, endless productivity, always doing and going, it can feel almost rebellious to slow down. But today we're exploring something deeply healing and empowering: slow living. Because slowing down isn't about doing less, it's about doing what matters with more presence, intention, and peace. So let's kick this episode off by discussing the cost of constant speed. So many of us live in a rhythm of rush, rush, rush. We wake up already thinking about the next task, the next meeting, the next goal, and feeling like we're already behind. And somewhere in that momentum, we lose connection to the moment we're actually in. And when life becomes a checklist, even the most meaningful things can start to feel mechanical. We end up living from habit instead of living from our heart. And the truth is, being busy isn't the same as being fulfilled. Movement without mindfulness leads to burnout, not growth. So what does slow living really mean? Slow living isn't about doing everything slowly. It's about doing things intentionally. It's about being fully present in whatever you're doing, whether that's working, resting, eating, or spending time with someone you love. Slow living is saying, I value peace over pace. I choose quality over quantity. I want to live, not just exist. It's a lifestyle rooted in awareness, a way of aligning your outer actions with your inner calm. There's no doubt that many people attempt to slow down and become extremely uncomfortable with it. Let's talk about why slowing down feels uncomfortable at first. When you first start slowing down, your mind may resist it. Stillness can feel unfamiliar, even uncomfortable when you've been running around like the Energizer Bunny for so long. You might have thoughts like, I should be doing more, or I'm falling behind. But here's the truth. Rest doesn't mean you're falling behind. It means you're realigning with your natural rhythm. When you slow down, you reconnect with your creativity, your intuition, and your joy. The things that constant motion drowns out. And so let's talk about how to begin embracing slow living. And here are a few gentle ways to begin. First, create mindful mornings. Even if you have to get up early, start your day without rushing. Breathe, stretch, journal, or simply sip your coffee or tea with intention before the world's noise begins. Second, do one thing at a time. Multitasking scatters and fragments your energy. Bring your full attention to one task and notice how much more peaceful and productive you feel. And third, and one of my favorite things to do, is build pauses in your day. Take mindful breaks. Even taking 2 minutes to breathe deeply can help your nervous system reset. And fourth, redefine productivity. Ask yourself, did I stay aligned with my values today? Not just did I accomplish everything on the to-do list, right? Let's take a moment here for reflection. Take a deep, grounding, gentle and grounding breath with me for a minute. Think about your pace of life lately and ask yourself gently, am I living or just hurrying? Where can you soften? Where can you breathe instead of rush? Slow living isn't a destination, it's a practice of presence repeated one moment at a time. When you slow down, you don't lose time, you reclaim it. You begin to notice the beauty in small things, the clarity in silence, and the joy in simply being. So today, give yourself permission to move slower, to savor more, to be here fully now, because the pace of your peace matters more than the speed of your progress. Thank you for sharing this meaningful moment with me. And if this episode inspired you, feel free to share it with someone who could use a reminder to pause, breathe, and reconnect. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, as it helps me out and it helps others too. Until next time, stay present, stay peaceful, and keep living your life with intention. Until next time, bye for now.